doing sort of like labouring work and all that. So when this opportunity arose, I thought I'd go for it.
It's a 2-week course, and I'm hoping to get at the end of it an apprenticeship.
I found out through my local job centre. I was looking into other apprenticeships and other courses, and they showed me this one.
So the job centre let me know about this course going on, and it's something that I want to pursue because it gives you like a permanent role, and it's a good sort of experience for me as well.
Dry lining, it's been there for years and decades, but it's becoming more and more popular as an alternative to plastering. It's less time consuming and it can be done on a closer budget, as in cheaper.
It's an important part of a construction, so because it incorporates the fire, health and safety, and I got a feel with what dry lining is about. So putting up plaster, screwing it in the more commercial sites, you put plaster boards in between aluminium.
Just the learning stage from the beginning, just to learn from scratch to the finish.
We have a handful of subcontractors that we work closely with, as well as main contractors, but Conneely are one of the most proactive. So what they've decided to do is be part of a brand new dry lining academy.
There was an induction/assessment, or we come through. We had to do a little project, like work as a team to build a tower.
Hopefully I'll pass my CSCS test, get onto the apprenticeship, and then learn from there.
I want to get into the bricklay and dry line and everything. That's why I've started here, to get my CSCS card.
To be qualified to be on site and be trusted to cooperate with all the health and safety legislation, it's very important that everyone fulfills their obligations in that exam. It's a very high pass rate, it's 47 out of 50, which is why during these 2 weeks we've gone through it very thoroughly, and we've done a lot of mock exams, and we try to prepare them as much as we can for that exam.
If I pass my CSCS, I'll have an interview with Conneely. Hopefully I can pass the interview, get onto the apprenticeship, and start doing the work and learning the trade.
As part of construction department of a college, it's a massive thing to be pushing people forward in careers, whether that's carpentry, it's management, dry lining, brickwork, whatever you want to have it, which are all absolutely necessary in a time, and especially profitable for people in a time where there's such a high target of house building.
5 years' time is I'll hopefully be working towards management.
The reason I want to do apprenticeship is because I'm trying to look towards the future. I don't want to just settle for any job, because I feel like I won't be able to go further in the company or be able to pursue what I want to do in life.
My ultimate dream job, because I graduated as a mechanical engineer, so I would like to get into a management role and try to combine the two. So hopefully something to do with estimators, quantity surveying, something more like leadership role into the company.
So that's